Well, good morning, evening, and afternoon, motherfuckers. I'm not doing a video right now. I'm just gonna let you know I am working on a theme song for the InSane Chef show. I think you motherfuckers gonna dig. I got it done, but I need to put it on the format and all. So sometime in the next week or two, you'll see a theme song coming up on the InSane Chef show. It's pretty damn good. My brother is a master at making badass music. I told him, I said, I want something to sound like kind of like Sanford & Son, like maybe what was that fucker's name that did the theme song there? I remember Quincy Jones. I was thinking, I want something to sound like Quincy Jones created it. So it should be pretty damn good. I heard it. It turned out really nice. So that'll be coming up in the next couple of weeks here. Once I get it all formatted and everything to put on the tagline for the show. Alright, you motherfuckers have a good day. Well, how the fuck y'all are? Today, we're making a new intro for the InSane Chef show. I think you motherfuckers gonna really like it. We're gonna give you a sneak peek here, I think. Okay, so here is gonna be the sneak peek here of the InSane Chef intro song here. Let's see what you motherfuckers think about it.
Now, today, this shit smell good as a motherfucker.
The motherfuckers got dirty mouth.
Well, burn my motherfucking biscuit.
The season really shut from the south.
You take that grease and put it over your fucking gravy.
You always got some for that ass.
And you make your fucking gravy.
Buddy's always been talking that trash.
I wish you motherfuckers would smell this shit.
It's easy InSane Chef.
Okay, that is some funny ass shit. We just got done recording that. I'm gonna try to put an intro together here for the show, take some splices and all. It might take a few days, but give you guys a sneak peek of what that's gonna be like. Okay, so we still here at the studio here, working on this intro. I think you motherfuckers gonna love it when it's finished. Right now we adding in all the text and everything into it. It's gonna have the email address and all the good stuff. That motherfucker huge. There we go.
InSane Chef.
Now, today,
Your mind swear that he is all meth.
this shit smell good as a motherfucker.
The motherfuckers got a dirty mouth.
Well, burn my motherfucking biscuit.
The season really shut from the south.
You take that grease and put it over your fucking gravy.
He's always got something for that ass.
And you make your fucking gravy.
Cause he's always been talking that trash.
I wish you motherfuckers would smell this shit.
It's easy InSane Chef.